I know the title of this video sounds a little crazy, but I am going to share with you 3 things that you must know if you want to learn how to make money so fast that it feels illegal. And I know this to be true because after learning and understanding these 3 things, that is exactly how I went from 0 to 8 figures online in my online businesses in just a few short years. I am in my 30s, and in my personal life, I don't know anyone else in their 30s who have accomplished this much in such a short period of time. This is something that anyone can do. You just need to understand these 3 things. Now, I do apologize if I sound a little echoey. I just moved into my new home. As you can see, there's no furniture yet, but the show must go on. Okay, so the first question I need you to ask yourself right now is, what problems can you solve? When it comes to making money fast, it all starts with you being able to solve problems for other people and other businesses. If you can help people solve problems, then businesses will throw money at you. Okay, people will throw money at you if you can take away their pain and if you can solve problems. Now, I'm going to give you an example on how I've helped people solve their problems, and that's exactly how I made millions of dollars online. This is something that you can do as well, but you need to understand what problems you can solve. What can you help other people with? Okay. So if you are a person with value, you have a specific skill set or talent, you can make a lot of money. You just need to learn how to get the word out there and how to get clients, how to get people to pay you for the problems that you can solve. For example, let's say your nails are disgusting. You need a nail salon to give you a manicure. And after you are happy with that service, you pay that business money. So that nail salon made money because they solved your problem. And the more problems that nail salon, that business can solve, the more money that they make. So I need you to start looking at it that way. So for myself, I was able to generate millions of dollars online. That felt illegal and it felt fast because I was able to help others make money online. So by now, you probably know there are so many online business models. And the first business model that I got into was an e-commerce business. So a few years ago, I got fired from my 9 to 5 job and I needed to find a way to make money fast. The bills kept coming in. I barely had any savings. I didn't want to go back to a regular job because, let's face it, that's bullshit, and I wanted more freedom. So I started an Amazon business. I got really good at that business. I made 7 figures within a year. Now I developed a skill set and I thought to myself, okay, if I can do this, I can probably show other people how to do it. I can train them on how to do it. That way I make money and they make money as well. And they are paying me for my help. They are paying me because I am helping them solve that problem. Others want to make money and I'm going to solve that problem for them by teaching them how to start an e-commerce business. So whatever skill or talent that you have, if you can help someone accomplish something, they will pay you for that product or service. Now, that is what I call having an online coaching business. I was educating people on how to start e-commerce businesses. This can apply to any niche. So if you are someone that is into fitness or health, nutrition, or relationships, that is a niche. And if you can help people solve problems in whatever niche that you have in mind, you are coaching them and people will pay you to coach them how to solve a specific problem. That is how you get paid. So that's how I started my online education business and generated millions of dollars. I took a skill that I had and I was coaching people how to do it. Second, you need to choose a type of business that generates heavy cash flow with minimal overhead. Now you may be thinking, but Tamara, don't all businesses cost so much money to start up? That is not true because with an online coaching business, with online education, all you need is a camera. So I use my iPhone to shoot this video and a laptop computer. So 2 devices, and I was able to generate millions of dollars online because I'm coaching people online. There's nothing else that I need. There's barely any overhead. I have to pay for Zoom because I have meetings online, and I have to pay for a CRM software because obviously I have a sales funnel and other things related to starting up an online coaching business, but that's it. Compared to brick and mortar businesses, it's crazy how much money you need to start up a brick and mortar. You probably need 50 grand, 100 grand, or multiple 6 figures. I don't know, something crazy. And it takes years for traditional businesses to see a profit. But with an online education business, you can get clients right away online if you are willing to put yourself out there. Okay. This is very important. If you are unwilling to put yourself out there, there's just no way how you're going to generate any money. It's the harsh truth. Just like a brick and mortar and with any business, there is a CEO, there's a business owner, and they are constantly putting themselves out there to acquire clients. They are constantly putting themselves out there to solve problems. And that's how they are able to generate so much money so fast. If that's a problem for you, then this is not going to work. Okay. You're not going to make money fast because you need to be okay with being on camera and putting yourself out there to share your skill. You need to be teaching people, coaching people. So with this type of business, there's barely any overhead. And that's why I love it so much. So in my e-commerce business, the one that I told you about, and the first business that I started, a lot of people struggled with startup capital because it takes money to buy products. We were buying products from China. We had to pay for shipping. We had to ship those products to Amazon's warehouse. And then you need to deal with customer service and everything else. I thought that business model was a good business model for beginners because for those people who didn't feel comfortable in front of a camera, then sure, that's a good business model. But the downside of an e-commerce business, just like a lot of other businesses where you don't see a profit super fast, is that you need a lot of capital to get started. Whereas for this type of business, like I said, an iPhone, a laptop, I'm done. Put me in front of a camera and I can generate money because I'm solving other people's problems. Third, the way how you are going to make money so fast that it feels illegal. This is the last thing that you must understand. And forget number 1 and 2. If you don't do this last thing, then nothing is going to work. For me, this is simple because I've been practicing this for so many years. But if you are a beginner here, then it may be a little painful. I'm not going to lie. But the secret to making money fast is to lock down and give up everything that you love. I mean it. I dive deeper into that topic in this video right here, how to get rich quick. It's crazy when people tell me that they don't believe me when I say this. If you want to make money fast, then you need to give up everything. You need to give up video games. You need to give up drinking. You need to give up porn. You need to give up Netflix. You need to give up sports. You need to give up free time with your family and friends because you need to focus. You need to concentrate. You need to be solving problems for other people and for other businesses. If you're not doing a damn thing, you're not going to make money. You might make some money, but you're not going to see a crazy amount of money. Okay. And I know this because I've gone through it. I gave up so much in my life. I've sacrificed so much to a point where people asked me if I was okay. Like, hey, where are you? We haven't seen you. Are you still there? Are you alive? Why did you change? But the moment they saw the success, the moment they've seen me buy this multi-million-dollar home, that's when they come back and they ask me, how did you do it? What did you do? What's the secret? And the biggest secret here is that I've sacrificed so much to get to where I am. I find that entertainment, going out, drinking, partying, Netflix, video games, all that stuff does not make me happy. I feel like it numbs me in the meantime, but my goal is so big that I just don't think about doing any of those things. They don't bring me happiness. I don't feel fulfilled. I don't feel accomplished. All I want to do is make money fast so I can achieve freedom. Money buys freedom. And if you want to make money fast, then you need to be okay with giving up everything. Now, I don't mean giving up everything forever. There are days when I'm just like, okay, I want to go for a stroll at the mall. I want to go shopping. I want to have a few drinks with friends. That's fine. I just choose not to do it because I know what my priorities are. I know that my priorities are helping my clients get to where they want to be. My priority is to help you solve your problem so you can make money as well. Okay. If you want a free training to starting an online education business, you can check out the link in the YouTube description below. I put together a free training, watch the training, and you can book a one-on-one call with my team so we can help you get started. This is one of the best online business models that does not require a lot of overhead. You don't need a full team of people running it. You don't need startup capital. All you need is a device and internet. And of course, a skill set. Okay. You need to learn how to solve problems for others. I can't stress that enough. So back to what I was saying, my last point here If you're not willing to make sacrifices, if you're not willing to put in the time and the effort to make this happen for yourself, then you are not going to see any money. That's why a lot of people don't make money. They are very caught up with the day to day. They choose to binge on Netflix or do silly activities instead of focusing on what matters. If you can make money fast, then you can retire fast. You can achieve freedom fast. You can have everything you want in your entire life fast. Okay, so I hope this video has helped you today. Make sure you check out my next video coming up, how to make $5,000 in 7 days. Please help me give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. And don't forget, if you need help, again, the free training is in the YouTube description below.